Hi everyone! Who has already heard about Tesla company problems? Anyone? Probably everyone. And the last time big media looks to be really obsessed about the issues Tesla is facing, or might be facing.
In terms of whether or not demand was there for the product that Tesla faces, or the concern about cash burn, a huge concern that Tesla faces right now.
The idea that there's not a dealership that I can take it to if it breaks, the idea that anything happens kind of down the road, it's on me.
I think having $2 billion that they didn't have yesterday is certainly good news as far as it goes. Tesla has a working capital deficit of about $1.7 billion ending at last quarter, and we haven't seen any sign that a big sales turnaround is underway in this Q2.
The not having dealers is a huge disadvantage over the long run from a financial perspective. Another analyst on the street who says that this is a binary situation. You could basically go much higher from here, or you could go to $10, I think was his price target on it. The bear case out there takes a look at the balance sheet, for starters, let's just say.
I would be very skeptical if Tesla has picked up the Prius buyer. On the average Prius is like 27 grand or something like that. Tesla's lowest end is this new Model 3 that we know comes at like 55 G's or something like that.
We have 11 buys, 10 holds, and 15 sells. Now remember, holds are sells because nobody typically gives a sell rating. Only 5% of all ratings are sells. Hold means wink, wink for sell, but we don't want to offend the banking department. So what you have is basically sells all over the place and very few buys.
That's why the chair comes over so quickly.
Lickety split.
All right.
There are also a lot of interesting articles on that topic. I really like this GIF on the Bloomberg website. Yeah, that looks interesting. But you know how they say, there is no smoke without fire, and Tesla seems to have real cash flow problems. After a big breakthrough in the fourth quarter in 2018, when Tesla's cash flow finally turned green, they didn't keep the pace and fell back into the red zone. They're real concerned that the company can run out of cash in the nearest future. And if that happens, during the balance sheet still being in the red zone, they could not get the new loans. At least with reasonable terms and interest. And if they won't get the good credit terms, there is a risk that they will be forced into issuing more shares. The shares will be diluted, and so on and so forth. And a lot of financial analytics think that there is a major reason why Tesla's stock price is going down. There is the risk of using more Tesla shares to gain the needed capital. It might seem the financial winter is coming for Tesla. But I think there is a solution. What if Tesla could raise capital without bankers and even without dilution? / issuing more shares? So here's a crazy idea. Why Tesla won't make its own crypto coin, which Tesla clients and fans could buy?
That's 100% what will occur. It's just a question of when.
The Tesla coin could be used, for example, in the future on Tesla's charging stations, or maybe even for the Tesla taxi. Maybe making hodling the coin even more appealing. Tesla could think through an algorithm so that the true hodlers could buy even more energy in time. I mean, Tesla fans are the most tech-advanced and wealthy people. They definitely know what crypto is, and I think would love to use this opportunity to help the company. Even I would buy some coins, just to support the great company, despite the fact that I don't have a Tesla car yet, but I definitely will. That could solve so many problems. No shares dilution has to be done, which by the way would be not as profitable as it could be considering the last Tesla stock performance. That could raise a significant capital with low operation costs.
This is a very important point.
And speaking on behalf of Tesla fans, that will be our pleasure to help our favorite company and our Ironman life. Furthermore, that will be a real win-win situation because buyers could exchange the coins on Tesla services in the future and the company could get the needed time. So why not? Let's just do it.
Maybe nothing will happen, but at least the words were said.
So I do believe in Tesla as the future biggest player in the car industry and also car sharing company and also solar and energy storage company. This film is coming to my mind right now.
I heard their jingle. Landell Global, we're in everything.
I know it is a new channel and the odds can be not in its favor, so maybe nobody will watch it. But if you watch this, please share your thoughts on that. Let me know if I'm missing something in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Crypto, seriously? Bitcoin and Ethereum scammers were so rampant on Twitter that I said to just join in. I said like 1 point, want to buy some Bitcoin?
Yes.
And then my account got suspended because they obviously had like some automatic rule that if you try to sell the Bitcoin, it's interesting. I have some friends of mine that are kind of really involved in crypto. I mean, I think like the Bitcoin structure was quite brilliant. Yeah, it seems like there's some merit to Ethereum as well, and maybe some of the others. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure that it would be a good use of Tesla resources to get involved in crypto. I mean, we're really just trying to accelerate the advent of sustainable energy. And I mean, I think actually one of the downsides of crypto is that computationally, it's like quite energy intensive. So like there had to be some kind of constraint on the creation of crypto. So, but it's very energy intensive to create like the incremental Bitcoin at this point. Paper money is going away, and crypto is a far better way to transfer value than pieces of paper. That's for sure. That has its pros and cons.
Just to clarify, Tesla's not going to start selling Bitcoin
No,
anytime
we're
soon.
not.
Okay, you heard it here first, even though everyone thought that.
No.